Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, OnStar, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.